Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon Fund-supported initiatives. For those who may not know, the Amazon Fund is a global mechanism created to raise donations to invest in efforts to prevent, monitor, and combat deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon. It's a key part of the global effort to support the world's largest rainforest. Based on my personal experience researching these projects, what really stands out is that the best initiatives are those that combine environmental preservation with sustainable economic development for local and indigenous communities. This dual focus is crucial because you can't protect the forest long-term without supporting the people who live in it. I've seen three types of initiatives consistently show major positive impact. Strengthening monitoring and control systems. This involves investing in advanced satellite monitoring, aerial surveillance, and on-the-ground inspection. For example, projects that help state environmental agencies implement the Rural Environmental Registry, CAR, are vital. This registry is like a digital ID for rural properties, which is a powerful tool to prevent illegal land grabbing and deforestation. When you can track what's happening in real time, you can act fast. Supporting sustainable production and bioeconomy. These initiatives are about creating economic alternatives to deforestation. I've seen funds go towards small-scale agroforestry, where you grow crops alongside the forest, and extractivism, which involves sustainably harvesting non-timber products like Brazil nuts, acai, and rubber. These projects directly benefit local populations, giving them an income source that depends on the forest remaining standing. When the forest is more valuable alive than cut down, you have a lasting solution. Land use planning and indigenous and protected area management. This is critical work. It means ensuring indigenous lands and protected conservation units are properly delimited, monitored, and managed. Funding helps equip and train local communities and park staff to protect their territories from invaders, illegal loggers, and miners. Supporting these groups, the true guardians of the forest, is arguably the most effective way to secure its future. It's clear that the most effective use of the Amazon Fund is when it targets these interconnected areas. Technology to stop illegal activity, economic development to support forest people, and strengthening the institutions that protect the land. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.